How to fix Facebook incorrect password problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, and you will go directly to apps. And on apps guys, you will just scroll down and go directly to Facebook. And on Facebook you will go directly to storage and go to clear data like this and click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.